fought and eat them. But most of the wild animals, they are designed to blend in perfectly to their environment and to be nearly invisible. And that is what we call camouflage. So right now, speaking of camouflage, if you help me, I am looking for my friend who's doing the camouflage right now. He's blending in with this area. Can you see any animal on stage? Except the rat. Okay, let's search. How about here? Any real animals? None. Real animals. Real. It's not real. How about here in the middle? Definitely it's not me. Yes. How about on the other side? Hernán, you're pointing at something? For those who cannot see it, the one who is sitting on a tree branch and there is color brown, very tiny. Okay, Kuya Olan, can you please help us? Okay, let's check if it's real. That one. That's part of the tree branch, right? That's camouflage. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Please the audience. Okay, by the way, this one is George. He is a Luzon lowland fox owl. And he has a friend that is another owl, but it's bigger. The other one is Maximus. He is a Philippine eagle owl. These kind of birds are endemic here in the Philippines and they are nocturnal, which means they are more active during nighttime and they have a limited eyesight that they can capture prey even in complete darkness. And they have specialized feather that helps them muffle their sound, so meaning they can fly silently, so they can capture prey more easily. So lastly, can you guess how many degrees can owls rotate their heads? How many degrees? 360! Patay! It will die! That's too much! Lower! 180 muna, 200 plus. 250 higher. 260 higher. 280, too much. Nagaling na sila. Yes! Owls can rotate their head for up to 270 degrees only. Not 360, that's exorcism already. How about a big hand for George and Daniel?